welcome back to my channel Cherry's Mustang. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Pokemon, a new game from the Pokemon company. So let's start our today's video. So guys, before starting the video, this video is just for educational purposes, not for any illegal activity. So guys, first click on the link that I gave you in the description. That will directly take you to Chrome. There is no need to subscribe to my channel, or if you like my channel then you should subscribe. So after going to this Chrome page, then you have to scroll down, then here you can see download original APK. So click on it. So it will directly take you to another page of happy mode, and here you can see the countdown is starting on 3 2 1. So guys, click on download APK. So here you can see the name will be like this, but then the actual name of this is Pokemon Honor Fight, not Pokemon Honor Fight, it's Monster Honor Fight. So I'm not going to download it because I already downloaded. So after installing, the app will be like this, that Pikachu is coming out of your eyes. So it will ask you to download some MB, 628 MB. So you have to download it. If you want to play 3D game, then you have to download it. So here you can see that I already kept it on downloading. So here you can see the size of this game, but the graphics in this game were awesome, guys, really awesome. They will be really awesome, as my friend told this Pokemon game to me. So I am telling to you, I had played this in my friend's phone, but I didn't play this in this phone. So I am very happy because I'm finally installing this Monster Honor Fight, because it has 3D graphics like Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, it seems. So we have to see. So guys, I'm not going to pause anywhere. If the download was taking so much time, then I should pause. If the download is not taking so much time, so then I will not pause the video. So guys, to download this 628 MB, you have to definitely have 1000 KBs to download this Monster Honor Fight 625 MB data. So guys, here you can see that I paused the video, but I'm trying to pause, it was not pausing. But here you can see that our download came to 607, 609 MB, 610, 611, 612. So we are finally, the data of this game was finally installed in my phone. So you have to install this data fully. So it was loading. And guys, the basic details of the game is, it was not created by the Pokemon creators, it's an unofficial Pokemon game. But this game was just like Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu with its full 3D graphics. So guys, if you listen any sound, just avoid them. So guys, here you can see, don't click on anything, just click on enter game. So it will go to this like, so it will load. It's an online game, but you don't find any players. So first select your character. I'm selecting this middle character with black hair. So I'm entering my name, Cherry. Yes, Cherry. I'm not revealing my real name because our channel name is this Cherry's Mustang. So I want to keep this name. So guys, when I typed Cherry, it was showing that your name is already kept by someone. So I am keeping as Cherry 193. So are you ready? So I am clicking on OK. So guys, here you can see, after it loads, it will load to the Ash house. So I it since. So here you can see it was again loading. So guys, it is coming to Ash, and here you can see same boys, guys, same boys. Finally you are ready, it seems. As I am ready, Professor Oak, Charmander. Okay, I want to choose Bulbasaur, guys, because it defeats fire Pokemon and water Pokemon. It's middle of them, so I'm selecting Bulbasaur. So your wish, you can select Charmander or Squirtle. My choice is Bulbasaur. So Bulbasaur is really strong. So here you can see the first battle is between me and Professor Oak. So I'm clicking on confirm. I'm clicking on tackle. So Bulbasaur uses tackle. Yes. So guys, I find this app in happy mode. So there is no Mediafire link for this video because my Mediafire account was gone, and here you can see we won that. So until this month's ending, we won't get that Mediafire account, it seems. So I'm gonna. So I defeated this, and here you can see Gary Oak, someone, it seems. So again he was battling with us, Gary Oak. Okay, he was up. So I'm using Vine Whip. Wow. So guys, Vine Whip power was fastly came to us, or else it will come slowly. Vine Whip. It will take some time. After some game we will get Vine Whip power, but in this game we got Vine Whip power in the beginning. Wow, what a nice thing in this game, guys. So here you can see that Hum don't get carried out away. So this is our companion Gary Oak. That means we are Ash, and this is like he's like what is, I forgot that boy's name. Yes. Who is along Ash with his Pokemon journey. That means he's Brock. I found his name now. He is Brock and Ash. Gary Oak means he is just Brock in the real Pokemon cartoon. So guys, if you listen any sounds, please avoid them. Accept my voice. Don't avoid my voice. I am just telling any sounds. I'm not telling my voice. Okay. So guys, we have defeated finally Charmander. We have defeated finally. So the level was not increasing for them. After 5 battles, it will increase, I think so. Yes, Brock was going to his journey, but we are late. So this is Poplock. So we should go, guys. Pikachu. So guys, this is the cutest Pokemon ever in Pokemon series. Come on, Pikachu, aren't you excited to finally you can adventure outside the town? Pikachu, not in. It seems you're the tutoring as a trainer. Alright. So guys, Pikachu is coming with us. Yes. So guys, if you listen any sounds, please avoid them. Accept my voice. So guys, here you can see that another opponent was waiting for us, and our coins are 10k, it seems. So guys, bye. This is our today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Mustang.